Hey guys, and this is your first look at the Samsung OneUI 9.5, already in the works for the Galaxy S27 and S26 series. We also have an initial look at the OneUI 10 software, so let's talk about that later in this video. Make sure to watch it full. Okay, so this is how the software update page looks. So we have a light lavender/white background with several large smooth curved shapes. Here's a comparison of software update page: OneUI 9.5, OneUI 9 and OneUI 8.5. Here are some screenshots of the OneUI 9.5 courtesy Fahad Ali, who somehow got the OneUI 9.5 firmware running on his Samsung S26. So can be seen in this software information screenshot is based on Android 17 Cinnamon Bun. Build number is CP4A. The user interface is now more refined. We have glass reflection around the edges of widgets and other elements. We have frosted glass-like background for the widgets. It's not liquid glass kind of UI, but frosted blur with glass-like reflection around the edges. The best part is application lock is finally here with OneUI 9.5, so you guys can natively lock your social media or important applications and set a password or pattern to lock it here without using any third-party scam application. This is the new OneUI 9.5 camera UI shared by Fahad, so we have nice springy expansion animation in here. Here's the new fingerprint scanner UI, and finally smooth app opening and closing animation of OneUI 9.5. Now, latest news coming in from Semi Guru suggests that Samsung is working on dark icons similar to what we have in iOS for dark mode. This means when you turn on dark mode on your Samsung device, the app icons will automatically turn darker. You guys can see we have an image showing how the dark version of gallery, files, message and dialer icon would look. So pretty cool feature in my opinion coming with the OneUI 9.5. Samsung is also working on next gen UI aka OneUI 10 with fluid AI design. Here are some screenshots shared by Samsung and Red Dot Design of how their upcoming UI may look. Based on that and internal firmware, here are some concept screenshots shared by an MPSX user, and he says this is Samsung's answer to Apple's liquid glass and it looks absolutely stunning. So this is all guys, OneUI 9.5 is coming soon, likely alongside the S27 series and later for the S26 series, and OneUI 10 is already in the works, but we may see this next gen UI later next year. Thanks guys for watching, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.